So I'm going to start today exercise first C and 19 question. Till 16 I have completed. Is it?
Yes, sir.
So see, Himanshu, mute your mic. Yes. Question number 19. Refer to the Venn diagram. List the elements of the following sets. One diagram is given. I'm making here. So type of diagram is given. -2 -3 -2 -1 3. Four, five, six. Zero. Have you seen the diagram? Have you seen the
Yes,
diagram?
sir. Yes, sir.
Now first part. You have to find A intersection B union C. A intersection B union C. A intersection B portion is this one. This portion you can see. Like this portion is made. This is A intersection B portion. And it is union C. It's union C. So you can see in A intersection which elements are written, please tell. First write the elements of A intersection B.
-2 -1 3.
Yes. -2, -1, 3. Now write the elements of C. Write the elements of C.
4 5 6.
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6. You can check the answer. Now second part. A intersection B union C. A intersection B union C. First, write the element of no. First, you see B union C. B union C, B and C combination, and its intersection with A. So you have to write the element of common element of B union C and A. Common element of B union C and A. You can see these two circles are B union C. These two circles are B union C. And the portion like this. This portion which I am marking. This is the portion or this portion represents, or like this figure represents this portion. This is the portion A intersection B union C. Is it or not?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this portion you have to dark. Okay. So you have to get the elements of this portion minus 1, 3, 4. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now third part, A intersection C, intersection B, intersection C. A intersection C, intersection B, intersection C. A intersection C, intersection B, intersection C. Yes. A intersection C, this portion. And B intersection C, this portion. So what is the common portion of A intersection C, B intersection C? So you can see this is A intersection C, this is B intersection C. This is the common portion B. Please read out me. I am in secondary. Now A union B intersection B intersection C. A union B intersection B intersection C. Now A union B, A and B full circle. B intersection C is circle. This part I am making here. You can see A, B, C. A union B, this full part. A union B intersection C, this part. This is the common part of both. This part is common part. This part. It is written in this part. Next, C minus B. Next is C minus B. Elements of C which are not of the element, which are not the elements of B. So the elements which are not the elements of B. Sorry, it is B minus C first. First B minus C and then C minus B. B minus C elements of B which are not the elements of C. So 0 minus 1 minus 2 0. Minus 2 minus 1 0. These are elements of B which are not the elements of C. Yes. You can see. Yes. Now C minus B. This part C minus B. The elements of C which are not the elements of B. Can you tell me which are the elements of C which are not the elements of B? Elements of C which are not the elements of C.
4, 5, 6.
Yes, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 7, 5. B symmetric difference C. B symmetric difference C. You know, B symmetric difference C means A minus B union B minus A. So elements of A which are not the elements of B. So these elements are minus 4, minus 3, 4. Union elements of B which are not the elements of A. 0. Their transformation will be minus 4, minus 3, 0, 4. You can check the answer. Minus 1. Sorry, B symmetric difference C. B symmetric difference C means B minus C and C minus B. B minus C and C minus B. So elements of B which are not the elements of C. So you have written B minus C, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Union C minus B, 4, 5, 6. Now their union will become minus 2, minus 1, 0, 4, 5, 6. So you can check the answer now. Yes. After this cardinal number is coming. Have you understood this question? Have you understood this question?
Yes, sir.
So are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So listen carefully. Next exercise. I have taken a screenshot of attendance. I have taken a screenshot of attendance. Now you can see cardinal number. First question 1D. Question number 1. Anxiety. Anxiety. 80. NA48 NB40. NA48 NB40. NA intersection with 25. And intersection with 25. Draw a Venn diagram to find N A union B and A union B dash. Listen carefully. First of all, you can make diagram. A B right. First of all, you write intersection. Intersection will intersect common portion. Common portion is this one 25 right here. And is 48. So 48 minus 25. So what will become 23? Now n is 40. 40 minus 25. So it will become 15. It will become 15. Next, enzyme is 80. So total 80 and out of 80, how much we have written? 80 minus 23 plus 25 plus 15. So it will come 17. Clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now first part from the diagram A union B. Therefore, and A union B. And A union B 23 plus 25 plus 15 means the numbers which are written in A and B you have to add with common portion. So it will be 23 plus 25 plus 15. So total it will become 63. Check the answer. Next second part A union B dash and A union B dash and A union B dash means leaving A union B, whatever part remains in that part, whatever number is written, you have to write. So leaving A union B only 17 is written. So you can write 80 or you can write xi minus and xi minus and A union B. So it will be these are the formulae and xi minus and A union B. Xi minus A union B, you know A union B dash. You know this formula A union B dash equals xi minus A union B. In previous exercise, I told you. Do you know this formula? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So in LHS, RHS, everywhere you take n. So n A union B dash equals enzyme and A union B. Clear? Same formula here I have written. Enzyme 80 minus 63, 17. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Next, Na minus B. Third part, Na minus B. Na minus B formula Na minus Na intersection B. This is the formula. Na is 48 and intersection B is 45. So it will be 23. 4 part and B minus A. And B minus A is and B minus N A intersection B. And B is 40 minus 25. 15. Next, N A intersection B dash. First part, N A intersection B dash. It means that N A minus B. And intersection B dash means N A minus B, I told in previous exercise. And A minus B equal to D. First part, and A dash intersection B. And A dash intersection B, it means that and B minus A. And B minus A 15. So like this you can check the answers. Is it clear?
So directly
Now,
answer we can write, sir.
what?
Directly answer from the Venn diagram.
Huh?
Sir, in the exam we can write directly answer from the Venn diagram.
From the Venn diagram, one time you write formula, then you write. Okay. Now question number 4. Question number 4. What is question number 4? The Venn diagram shows. This is the Venn diagram. A, Xi, 59, 23, sorry. 15, 8, 9, 13. 15, 8, 9, 13. The Venn diagram shows Xi equals pupils in class 8. Xi equals pupils in class 8. Pupils in class 8. A equals pupils who play cricket. A equals pupils who play cricket. Pupils who play basketball. Pupils who play basketball. How many pupils are in class 8? First of all, write therefore enzyme equals total people you can write. No need to find that enzyme. You can write therefore first part. How many people are in class 8 means enzyme. It means that enzyme. How many people are there in class 8? It means that enzyme. So therefore enzyme equals Add all 15 plus 8 plus 9 plus 20. All the students which are coming in Xi. So these students are 45. Second part, is who play cricket. So who play cricket and play between the state. 23. Third part, the students which are written in A, they will be who play cricket. Next, who play basketball. So N B will define. NB 8 plus 9, 17. 8 plus 9, 17. Play both cricket and basketball. Fourth part. Play both cricket and basketball. So P, sorry, and A intersection B. So A intersection B is A. Next part, play neither cricket nor basketball. It means that N A union B. Dash. IT. So you can check the answer. 45, 23, 17, 8, 30. Yes. Getting this point? Getting this or not? Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How many are there this time? 18 are there. In a class of 50 students, 22 like history, 25 like geography, 10 like both subjects. Draw a Venn diagram and find the number of students who do not like history, who do not like geography, who do not like neither history nor geography. So this is question number 7. In a class of 50 students, listen carefully. One diagram remains. A, B, hexagon. 10 like both the subjects. 10 like both the subjects. And those who like history, 22. So 22 minus 10, 12. Those who like geography, 25. 25 minus 10, 15. And yes, total 50 students are there. So it will be 50 minus 12 plus 10 plus 15. 25, 27, 13. It is coming 13. So you can write like psi equals you can write total students. Total students. Total students. A equals students who like history. Students who like history. B equals students who like geography. Students who like geography. Now, first part. Then N and side equals 3 and 8 equals 100 and B equals 35 and A intersection B equals 10. So this data is given. You can see. So first part, there who do not like history and A dash and A dash who do not like history. You can see and side minus and side and is 20. So 20 is 12. You can see. Second part. Here I am doing second part. Those who do not like geography and B dash and B dash and sine minus 20 minus 25. 25. Next, neither history nor geography. Neither history nor geography. A dash and A union B dash and A union B dash. Neither history nor geography. And sine minus and A union B. 20 minus I know that 12 plus 10 plus 15. So 20 minus 27, 90. Select the answer. Have you understood it? Have you understood it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now after this, 10th question hint is there, 12th I am taking. And 10th question hint is there. Next is a firm has 40 workers working in a factory premises, 30 working in office, 20 working in both the places. How many workers are there in the firm? Listen carefully. First of all, total number of workers we have to find. 40 workers are working in factory premises, 30 workers are working in office, 20 workers are working in both the places, factory premises and office. And how many workers are there in the firm? How many are working in the factory or office alone. So you can write Venn diagram can be made. It is not written here. If it is possible without Venn diagram, then you can find. So you can write lab A equals workers working in factory premises. Workers working in factory premises. B equals workers working offices. Working in office. And Y equals total workers. Total workers. So then NA equals 40, NB equals 30, and N intersection in both the places means intersection 20. Now you have to tell and first part and size equals and union B. Why n size equals n union B? Because no worker is there who is not working in factory premises or in office. No worker is there. Means all the workers are working at some place. Some place factory premises or office. So at least one place they are working. Okay. No worker is there who is not working at any place. Okay. So that's why in this case n equals n union B. And n union minus n intersection B. N is 40 plus 30 minus 20. 70 minus 20, 50. How many workers are working? 50. Now first part. Second part is right. In factory alone. Factory alone means N A minus B. N A minus N intersection B. N is 40 minus 20. 20 workers. Third part, N B minus A. Alone is with both the parts, factory alone and office alone. N B minus A, N B minus N B intersection B. N B is 20 minus 20 plus 10. 90 minus 20, it is 10. So, students, how many? Let me take screenshot of attendance.